the business looks like it's changed. So you're presenting a different company from the one I spoke to back in early September. So why the change, and what was wrong with the previous model?
We didn't change the strategy. It's just the evolution what we have been doing before. I think Mark Smith has helped a lot in all progress we had. And it's just a continuous, all the strategy we have set before. But we have a very good news, in fact. Last year, we increased our production by 24%, our nameplate capacity, by the way, with a very small CAPEX. And just to have an idea how successful was this expansion, we jumped from 800 to 1,000 tons per month of E205. The last 2 months, we produced more than 1,000 tons. Well, 1,052 and 1,030 tons. So we increase our production, and this year we are going to improve our product, increase our nameplate capacity 10%. It's a very small cost. The capex will be 1.3 million US for 10% increase.
It's fantastic. Yeah, I get it. And going from 800 to 1,100, 37% increase overall in that time frame. So these are good numbers indeed. But I want to stick with, I know you said it's an evolution in the business, but I want to ask, are you, or do you consider yourself a vanadium business? You have a vanadium mine, but you are developing products. Okay, you're developing, V-Pure and V-Pure Plus, and you've got other products in the line. So how are you positioning it? How is the board positioning the company?
We are today a clean tech. We provide clean tech solutions. The mine is how we source our product to provide a clean tech solution for the market. And we are working with vanadium today. It doesn't mean that's going to keep producing only vanadium. And not just this, we are approaching the market, providing more products. We implement next year the ferrovanadium. Also, we are implementing the V2O3. V2O3 is 50%, 1/3 of the whole consumption of the aerospace industry, and also chemical industry as well. So we are approaching the market with more solutions, better products. And if it's not just these, we are developing a process to produce titanium pigment, TiO2.
Yeah.
That's going to be a fantastic improvement in our business. And we are developing a technology that's going to produce these in a environmental friendly, not going to discharge any effluent, any drop of effluent into environmental.
Okay.
So we are doing a disruptive improvements in vanadium, and will be in the future for titanium as well.
So this is what interests me, okay? Because mining has got mining's, I always say to people, mining's very tough. Vanadium is quite tough because the erratic nature of the pricing in the marketplace. Obviously, the second half 2018, beginning of 19, you guys made a lot of money as the price went shooting up, as it does, every 10 years or so. Supply demand economics on that. But what I want you to explain today is, you said it's a natural evolution, but to me it seems like a revolution, because mining is one thing. Going downstream and capturing value, capturing the ability to make more money is important for you because of the way that the vanadium market has traditionally been, i.e. erratic. So is it an evolution, as you say, or was there the need to say to the board, look, we need to be a clean tech solutions company. We need to position ourselves as something where investors can get away from this vanadium issue and see us coming up with solutions into this, whether it be the whichever verticals that you want to sell into, whether it be aerospace, chemicals, or even the EV component or battery storage, etc. So what was that conversation like when you became CEO?
First of all, I need to say that I have the full support to the board, and I'm very grateful for that. You know, they have been supporting us, all the projects they contribute, you know, and they support it 100%. That's very important, and the alignment with the board and the management, you know, it's ensure us that we are in the right path. But when we focus on fundamentals, you know, reduction, cost, quality, providing the best product to our customers, provide the green tech solution. So when I approach the company that way, we see that we can do more. We can produce. We have titanium in our tailings, a huge amount of titanium, by the way. So we are developing and getting advantage of have this unique situation. When you look at our revenues and results, when you put titanium on top of vanadium, we will have another very important revenue stream, as important as vanadium. So it gives us a much better situation facing the market volatility. You know, titanium is more stable, and you know, we start those things when we decide to have our own sales team. In April, our contract with Glencore over, and we decide to face the market by ourselves.
Okay.
Not just with vanadium, but it created a situation that we can face another product as well of vanadium, and this co-product will be the titanium.